Hi, my name is Joyce. I'm in the USI Technical Department. Today we're going to show you how to change the digital temperature control board on an ARL 2700. I've already removed the screws that hold the blue cover to the frame. They're identical to the screws on this side. They're 3mm metric screws. When you pull the cover off, in order to get to the temperature board, there is a temperature knob in the front. If you turn the knob to the lowest setting, there is a little Allen set screw in the hole. It's 2mm metric. You remove the screw and pull off the knob. On the label itself, there are 6 Allen screws. They are 2.5mm. Once you remove those screws, the temperature board will come down towards you. That's why you take the cover off. As you can see, there are tie wraps that hold all the wires in place to keep them away from the chain. You have to cut some of the tie wraps off. What you'll do is you'll take a picture of where the wires go, or we could email you a wiring diagram. Once you take off the old board and you screw on the new board, you want to replace the wires, wire for wire. You want to put your screws back in the front and your screw back on the temperature knob, and you want to put some tie wraps there. Before you put the side housing on, try to heat it up, make sure everything is heating okay, and that's how you change the board on the ARL 2700. And for safety features, make sure you have the machine unplugged before you do all that.